everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be shooting a Sunday vlog or a getting my life together kind of vlog. So talking about my life, lately I have been a non-productive. For the past week I have been completely unproductive. So I don't know if you guys can relate with me, but I am one of those जो अगर बहुत टाइम तक अनप्रोडक्टिव फील करते हैं तो खुद से ही एक सॉर्ट ऑफ इरिटेशन एंड फ्रस्ट्रेशन टाइप का इमोशन आ जाता है. आई होप आई एम मेकिंग सेंस इन व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. So when I started with being regular and consistent with YouTube, with my job, so I was highly motivated to do all the stuff by myself, and I was able to manage everything like my job, and I was trying to shoot and edit as well, which was going good. And 1 month I was super productive, and for the next month शायद थोड़ा सा कम हो गया. And now in the month of July, and talking about this specific past week, I was so I was feeling so lazy, not lazy, so burnt out if you say. And I'm not complaining here because I want to do all this stuff like shooting videos, editing, choosing the thumbnail and putting music in the video and everything. मुझे खुद को अच्छा लगता है, that's why I'm doing it. And I have a full-time job also, but I was somehow feeling so low on energy that, like, I posted a video on last Sunday, and तब से लेके अभी तक I didn't shoot anything, I did not edit anything. I was just going to the office and just doing that work. Initially एक दो दिन तो बहुत drained out लगा, and I was feeling irritated with myself because I wanted to be productive but my body was not allowing me. And then I realized that my body is giving me signal that it needs rest. So I listened to my body and I did not push myself and beat myself for not doing anything. So I did not really achieve much the past week. I was just going to the office and eating whatever I wanted, and I was watching YouTube videos, Netflix movies and everything, and I was feeling like I was on a vacation. And today when I got up, I again was feeling motivated to do some stuff which I'm really happy about, because you know what, अंदर से आता है, अंदर से I'm feeling motivated, but I don't want to do everything at once because I don't want to feel exhausted and going back to that zone again. I am thinking to do some cleaning first of all. मेरे पास बहुत सारे न्यूज़पेपर के बंडल्स इकट्ठे हो गए हैं. बंडल्स मतलब जो पुराने न्यूज़पेपर्स होते हैं रद्दी वाले, वो आई हैव टू मेक बंडल्स उसके रस्सी में बांध के. सो मैंने वो मंगवाई थी एंड वो मैं भी करने वाली हूँ बिकॉज मॉर्निंग है. आई जस्ट हैड माई चाय. ब्रेकफास्ट थोड़ा से देर बाद करूँगी व्हेन आई फील हंग्री. ब्रेकफास्ट में भी आई थिंक आई वॉन्ट टू मेक पैनकेक्स, इधर पैनकेक्स और पोहा. ये दोनों कुछ चीज़ें खाने का मन कर रहा है मेरा. सो दैट्स व्हाट माई रूम लुक्स लाइक राइट नाउ. हेयर इज़ द फुल लेंथ मिरर जिसमें हम तैयार होते हैं, एंड हेयर इज़ माई मेकअप एंड एवरीथिंग. इसको भी मुझे सॉर्ट करना है, मे बी नॉट टुडे, मे लेट्स सी. एंड हेयर इज़ माई अलमीरा विथ ऑल द स्टफ्ड. इतना कि ये शायद अभी क्लोज भी नहीं हो रहा है. दीज आर आवर वेट्स, माई 3 kg 5 kg डम्बल्स. एंड यहाँ पे हैं 2 गद्दे जिसे मैंने फोल्ड करके सॉर्ट ऑफ अ सीटिंग स्टफ बनाया था, जिसके ऊपर की मैंने अभी बहुत कुछ सामान रख दिया है. आई ऑर्डर्ड सम थिंग्स फ्रॉम अर्बैनिक विच आई डिड नॉट लाइक एंड आई एम गोइंग टू रिटर्न इट. एंड हेयर इज़ द रस्सी विच वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ अभी न्यूज़पेपर के लिए. दोज आर सम मोर फिटनेस स्टफ, लॉन्ड्री बास्केट, एंड दिस इज़ लाइक कार मैट्स, जो पेपर मैट्स होते हैं दोज. And these were 2 seating things with our printer and keyboard. And here's my iron board. सो वी वांट टू सेटअप ऑफिस टाइप का स्पेस इस रूम में, जिसके लिए वी आर चेकिंग सम टेबल्स आउट. मतलब अमेजोन पे मैं कुछ टेबल्स देख रही थी, सो मे बी आई विल शॉर्टलिस्ट दैट टुडे. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द क्लीनिंग फर्स्ट.
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past, cause it always shows. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it.
So I cleaned a bit and now I'll be selecting one table for our home office.
I haven't done it all. I've lost my way, but how it felt I can't.
So I liked some of the tables, like I like this one. ये white है and इसके legs are wooden. It has a drawer also, but it's a bit expensive. Like it's what, almost 8,000. This one is from IKEA. This also has a drawer. This is for 6649. So it's 11:30 and मैंने एक टेबल फाइनल किया है. We are going to buy that. And now I'll be having my breakfast. I know it's very late, but जब भूख लगेगी तभी तो खाएंगे. And I've ordered one pancake mix. से पहले already एक बार mix यूज़ कर लिया है and बहुत tasty लगा सबको. Same day पे हमारा ख़त्म हो गया था, so I ordered one more. This is a pancake mix which I ordered. So earlier I ordered इसका छोटा pack and this time I'll ordered the बड़ा pack क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि I'll be eating it a lot because it's so tasty. So my pancake mix is ready and अब हम बनाएंगे कुछ yummy pancakes. So it's 3 PM and I am already very late. मैं नहा धो के एकदम तैयार हो गई हूँ and now I am having my lunch. Obviously lunch में हम एक ही चीज़ ऑर्डर करते हैं, that is pasta. So I have ordered red sauce pasta. So I'll be eating it and watching some movie. नहाने से पहले I watched तूफान जो कि प्राइम पे रिलीज़ हुई है and it's a long movie. मतलब I think it's 2+ hours. It's looking super yummy, like with all the cheese and everything. मैं इस पर्टिकुलर जगह से पास्ता खाए हुए काफ़ी दिन हो गए हैं, मतलब काफ़ी महीने हो गए हैं. सो आई एम हैविंग इट बहुत टाइम के बाद. This is so creamy. So if you're from Delhi, तो there is this place Billu's Hut in Janakpuri, West Delhi में. बहुत यम खाना होता है वहाँ का. You can try if you want. So I slept while working on laptop and अभी 5:30 हो गए हैं and it's raining outside. कैमरा में कैप्चर नहीं हो रहा but it's like it's all black outside. So my day was just fine. Everything is going good अभी तक. So I've put some cafe music on my laptop and now I'll be reading my book. So it's 6:30 p.m. I'm on the 44th page. So I'm gonna read it and make some notes. So I was reading the book while I remembered a Pomodoro technique. So मैंने किसी YouTube वीडियो में सुना था and I googled it. So Pomodoro technique is a time management technique जिसमें 25 minutes के लिए you have to read or study or whatever. Like you have to decide a task that you want to work on and then you have to put a timer for 25 minutes and after 25 minutes you will be taking the break which will be of 5 minutes. Now you can take one session like a 25-minute session but if you want to study longer तो 25 minutes के session रख सकते हो. So I'll be using this technique now and it's the first time I'll be using it. So let's see how useful it will be for me. So I finished some reading and some editing and now I'll be doing some घर का काम. सब्जी काट लेते हैं for tomorrow morning and हाँ अभी काट के रख लेते हैं so कल it will be easy to cook. साथ में we'll be watching something on the TV. So I made a meal plan for the week. मतलब Monday to Saturday मुझे क्या कुक करके ऑफिस लेके जाना है so that मुझे उठ के सुबह सोचना ना पड़े. So Monday to Saturday जो भी हम खाएंगे that's there. So that's some planning there. So I'm all prepped for the week and now I'll be ordering my dinner and that's it. That's for the day and if you like the video then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more vlogs and thank you for watching. Bye bye.